Today, we are going to make one of the side dish to enjoy aside with your ramen. Kimchi is hard to make, so we will just buy these at Costco if you wish. It's definitely not pickled cucumber too.
We are going to make a seasoned pickled radish.
Yum!
Regular radish is not the way to go. You will need a pickled radish where you can usually find it in Korean market, on the corner shelves where they sell fresh produce.
This is how the pickled radish looks like. Cut them evenly and carefully. Now you can cut some green onions. Small ones will work the best, but if the big ones are your only option, it is okay too. Next up is the minced garlic. You can get them from regular stores or frozen one at Trader Joe's or Korean market when you're at it for the pickled radish. This is called red pepper powder. They are dried and cursed peppers that you can also find at Korean market or online sometimes. Okay, we are ready to mix all the ingredients. Prepare a bowl and put one whole sliced pickled radish. Sprinkle sesame seeds, half a spoon would do just right.
This is sesame oil. Throw 1 spoon of them in the bowl. Ugh, that looks too much.
1 spoon of red pepper powder as well.
Remember the minced garlic? Just half a spoon.
Oh, almost forgot. 1 whole string of small green onion will do. Now mix it well and enjoy.